Is this recording? Look, I want to make sure this is recording because I'm upset, okay? Oh, wait, hold on, focus. Why isn't it focusing? There we go. Okay, so I just wanted to say this real quick, alright? I'm upset. I'm going to tell you guys why I'm upset because back in my other video, what was this video? Hold on, I need to figure out what this video was called. The video was called can people with dead straight hair get waves? That's what the video was called. And in this video, I said it is impossible. I said it's impossible. Okay. To get waves with a #1 on the hair scale. That's what exactly what I said. And I said, you know what? That's my opinion. And I told you guys, I said, go DM me, okay? And it's been a minute. How long has it been? It's been a whole month since this video. And I've been getting nothing but like people sending me like different YouTubers that quit or different things like that, or people on Instagram, and they've been sending me all this stuff and all these different people. And some people, okay, some people you're wrong about. I'm sorry. I already know these people. These people I already know they're like a 2 something, very close to being straight, but they're not quite straight. Like one for example, you guys said Ryan Wavy, okay? Ryan Wavy is he was just like, no, he came up to me. He said that he was like a 2A, 2. He said he was a 2 something, right? So like I said, he even knows he's not completely dead straight. He knows that his hair gets to a certain length and it waves up at some point. He knows that, okay? So you guys can't say Ryan Wavy. It's very close, like extremely close to a 1. And then there was one, and I had no words. And it was like the one, you know, all of them, all y'all were wrong. All y'all were wrong. Y'all were just tripping, all right? Y'all was just tripping because I looked. I was like, no, they curl at a certain length. I said, I know I'm right. I said, look, y'all, it's been a month. Nobody has proven me wrong. I said, I told y'all. Like, I was about to make a video too. It was like a week right when I was about to make a video, and it was like, somebody shoots me this dude, and he had a YouTube channel. You know, he had a YouTube channel, and I go check it out. And at first I'm like, it's still possible. Like I was like. It's possible that he might not have like dead straight. I mean like it's possible. Maybe just a little tiny wave. Like I don't know. Like I said, that's how it was like, you know. And I was like, and I was confident. I was confident, but I wasn't as confident as with the others. Okay. And then there was something, you know, that kind of tipped it off, you know. And before I tell you guys, you know, I know you guys see like this white do-rag on my head right now, and I don't really wear like completely like one color do-rags, except my like what dream do-rags, dream deluxe do-rags. Those only and you know, those are just, you know, cheap, you know, and this one, it feels a little silky, you know. And I kind of want to tell you about it real quick before I make a review on it, because I want you guys to go check it out on your own real quick. Hold on. I kind of want you guys to go check it out on your own, because like these do-rags is dope, and it's by a clothing company that also sells do-rags, okay? And then I mean the company, okay, hold on. The company is called Dumb Smart NY, okay? Now go ahead, there's no underscore, nothing. Dumb Smart NY. Go ahead and go check them out, okay? Go ahead, go check them out on Instagram. You know, you guys can see it right there, because I put it like where somewhere on here where it's like, you know, I put it right here. Maybe I should put it in like this vicinity. But yeah, like right here, you know, this is like basically what they got on their Instagram right now. You know, they also started selling, you know, did a complete restock online. And they're do-rags, you know. They got also, you know, they also got their velvet do-rags, you know what I mean. They also got the velvet. Don't forget about the velvet. Everybody's, I don't know, like ever since that, I forget, Jag-rags came out, velvet do-rags have been like hot thing right now. They also got that, all right. They also got that. And the thing is about, you know, on their website, you know, their website's on their Instagram, you know what I'm saying. It's in headwear when you go on their when you go ahead and you go on their site. They're velvet do-rags, and then you go ahead a little bit more, and then you get to their silky do-rags. $7? $7? And then the velvet do-rags, those are $10. You're not gonna beat that. So shiny, like you guys can't even tell how shiny this is. But I'm rocking with the company right now. You know, I'm in the middle. I'm about to make a review really soon, and You guys already know it's gonna be a fire review. That's why you go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can get, you know, post notification. Well, not post. Well, yeah, post notification, and then you guys get alerted. You guys get a notification when I upload. Hope that made sense. But again, I got off topic, okay? Because we're talking about can you get waves with a number 1 on the hair scale? And like I said, okay, like I said, I was completely confident until you guys sent me this one guy. And again, like I said, I had my confidence. It just went, my confidence was up here and it just kind of went down here. Until I got an Instagram DM from him, from the dude that the dude sent me, like the person that sent me that brought my confidence down here, the dude. And I thought, you know, and then the actual dude that he sent me, he also DM'd me, and then my confidence just dropped. I'm gonna tell you guys why. Here, look, I'm gonna put it up for you guys, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly why my confidence dropped. Look at this. He said, just seen your video with the straight hair. I got 1 hair texture. I was like, no you don't. I know you don't. And then I go ahead, I click on this picture, I zoom in a little bit. I'm like, oh my God, it doesn't even wave, it don't curl. He's Asian. I was like, this boy got waves. I said his waves ain't spinning. I said, no they ain't. I said, I promise you, he ain't spinning. And then I went ahead and then I clicked on the next picture he sent me, and well, a video, and I see that I was like, I'm out of here. I said, I'm gone. I said, I'm gone. I said, I give up. Oh shoot, the screen recording's still on. But yeah, that's why I was like, I'm gone. I'm done. I said, I'm done. Because then that means I just told how many people? Hold on. That means I told almost 3,000 people that you can't get waves with the 1 on the hair scale. That's exactly what I said. And I felt bad. That's why I had to come on here and make this video. Because apparently, I've been proven wrong. You guys can get waves with a 1 on the hair scale. And you know what? Just because if you guys are really want waves, you guys got a 1 on the hair scale, y'all really wanting the waves, okay? Y'all really want them. The link to the dude's YouTube channel on how he teaches you guys how to get waves, his link will be down in the description below. It will be down in the description below. You know, and his Instagram, I mean, you guys already saw it when I was doing the screen recording. So I don't have to shout him out on that. But I'm telling you guys, YouTube channel will be down in the description below. If you guys are wondering, you know, maybe you guys don't want to listen to me because I just told you guys you can't get waves with 1 texture. And if the 2 people with 2 texture and everybody else down the road, because I know what I'm talking about, if you guys want to stick around, y'all stick around. But hey, I mean, still watch the videos though. I mean, still make dope content. We already know we dropping fire. Come on now. Don't be tripping. You know, y'all were rocking with me, still got rock with me. I rock with y'all, y'all rock with me. That's how life is supposed to go, okay? But like I said, link in the description below if you guys want to learn how to get waves with dead straight hair, like 1 length, no curl length, no waves, no nothing. You know, your hair is just not like Asian hair. You guys want to learn how to get waves? Go ahead. His YouTube channel will be down in the description below. But yeah, I just had to come on here. I just kind of had to tell you guys what happened because I was completely embarrassed. And I hope this makes up for that because now I gotta come on here and I gotta correct myself. But it's cool. You know, hey, I admitted it. I didn't want y'all thinking y'all couldn't get waves with a 1 texture. That's why I came on here, you know. Because I know a lot of you guys don't have confidence already because I know the kids in school telling y'all, man, you can't get waves because you got this straight hair texture. Man, go ahead and prove them wrong, bro. Go ahead and prove them wrong. Go ahead and show them you guys can get the waves, okay? Just like how he was spinning in that video, go ahead and go put in the brushwork, go on his channel, and definitely learn how to get waves. And you know when you do, DM me a picture, and I'm surely going to put y'all on my story. I promise y'all I'm going to put you guys on my story. But, you guys already know, guys. You guys already know I'm on the grind. I'm on the grind right now. So far, I'm how many days in a row? I think I got like 3 days in a row just uploading. You know, every single day, guys. I've been slacking. Okay, yeah, I've been on YouTube for 2 years. That don't mean nothing if you ain't grinding. Okay, you guys already know I'm putting in the work. You know, I'm just punching out videos, and it ain't gonna stop. I got ideas, and the ideas keep flowing. And I'm just be at school, you know. I just be at school. I'm just chilling. I'll just be like this, acting like I'm listening to the teacher, you know. And in my mind, and the teacher think I'm listening too. But you know what? What actually in reality is what actually is happening is that I'm really like thinking about, man, like I gotta upload every single day. What I need some ideas, and then the ideas just keep coming, and I go ahead and put them on my phone before I forget, because if I forget, then they're useful. Well, not useful. I mean useless. But you know what? You guys are just gonna have to wait and see, you know, the ideas I got, because I'm telling you guys are gonna want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because you guys are gonna want to know when I post, because the videos are gonna be punching out. For the people that like the haircut tutorials, those are gonna be punching out. The wave videos are gonna be punching out like crazy. I got a whole series coming of you know, the same thing but different, you know, things. You guys get what I mean. But yeah, I got my whole episode, my whole series, my whole season, whatever you want to call it, coming out, and no waver has done it before, like how I'm about to do it. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and go ahead and hit the notification bell. But also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on this video. And you guys already know what I'm about to say, and it's stay wavy. And it's 360 Woods, and I'm out. Yeah!